See, see. That breeze, oh my goodness. He be so stiff. Alright, go ahead, I'm gonna let you go by me, okay? Loki be scaring me sometimes though.
One hour later.
Like you wanna fix it right here? Stop. Okay. Y'all wanna go through tolls or y'all wanna go around it? Alright. This is where I hit the bird. Yeah, 301 it'll still catch you. I already tried. Go in the fast lane. I'm just letting y'all pass. You go first. Yeah, I don't know. I just saw a swerve. I said, wait. Wait a minute. I be thinking you be scared to press your brakes, bro.
Huh?
I be thinking you be scared to press your brakes. Yeah.
No. I ain't scared now because the motherfucker don't ride like that.
So there's the one higher than this? Or we got the max one out, like the most expensive? God, you gotta be step by step. I didn't start learning how to do wheelies. Remember that time me and you and Turo went to like that park with the bridge or some shit like that?
Yeah.
That's when I first actually popped my shit. First time. Pause. Pause. Fucking popping. See? He was like, I think he got distracted. Yeah, you know where you at. Bro, I'm crying, bro. Like I didn't get that joint on video. Yeah, I got that shit on video. He was like, hey, my boy. Oh, I know where we at. You got, that's when you gotta lean. Like my favorite turn. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is my turn coming up too, so y'all don't mind me, okay? Hooters, my God. Here, you get in front. Yeah, easily. Yeah, but you're fighting the bike. You're fighting the bike. Go with the bike. Go with the bike. Don't fight it. Alright, that turn coming up, y'all. Yeah. Yo, pack it in the middle. Pack it in the middle. Watch out. I'll wait for y'all kiddos. Bet y'all won't go. Bet y'all won't go. Yeah, I'm a straight. No, I'm here. Go straight. Go straight. See, that's why I be scared. He be scared to take on the brakes, bro. But we not in Philly.
I'm not fast when it goes. That's the thing. Like, I don't know why.
Yeah, you're.
I had that motor ball like this.
I don't know what I was. Okay, so faster you go, more you're gonna have to lean. You feel me? Then if you feel like you're not gonna make the turn, off the throttle, so then lean more. It's kind of. Well, you go at your own speed right now. You will pick it up. Fat, more you ride, you'll pick it up. More you ride. You're just going at your own. Yo, y'all gotta start popping that clutchy, bro. Your bike's hard, Farmer. Your bike's hard, I'm not gonna lie. Your clutch is so sensitive. I have like a dead space. Can I please? Ah, the road is kind of sketchy. I gotta wait till 896 hits. Once it open back up. To let that scooter guy smoke y'all, bro. Delete that shit. What is the move, bro? You gotta look at the camera, gotta look at the camera. I'll get a cramp. Let's see if Harris can stop on time. Let's see. Damn, I should did the same thing. Look, he never stopped. Look, he never stopped. Like ahead of the thing. On the sensor. We all did. Yo, I'm dead. You scared me a little bit, my nigga. Ooh. You did the little. That's how he is. I felt kind of disrespected, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, run it up. Yeah, I'm down. You know I ain't scared of lane split. I do, but if y'all down, and I just feel it. Oh shit, you down. Who is this, Pamir? Nah. I go till it opens up. Yeah, my tune game on two-stroke. It's my two-stroke tune, bro. My two-stroke tune. You don't like it? You know, like the two strokes, they be willing and they be like da 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 da. Lane split. Yes, no. I don't think these cars would giddy up like that though. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was kind of scary. That little bridge, I hit the bumper though. My steering wheel started doing the little wobble wobble. The other bull, my guy, he be touching the hand on the ground when he turns like that. I was like, what the hell? Let's see how far I can get it. Dang! My shit died. It died. Yeah. It said goodbye. It died. It said goodbye. Yeah. We almost there anyway. We almost there. Good day, you know what I'm saying? Great day, actually. Yeah, his gonna last a lot longer than ours, bro. Oh, sorry.
That nigga did all of this shit. This bitch born.
He was mad as hell, I guess you parked close to his truck.
You said you did what?
He was mad as hell, I guess you parked close to his truck. Alright, bro. You too. I'll let you know when I get home. Or we get home. We lane split this whole thing. It's too much cars, bro. Yeah, we going all the way up, man. Fuck this shit. Alley-oop. We'll get mad. Prime. Oh, you switched up on your boy? You switched up on your boy? I thought you was on this side. I'm looking over here waiting for you to come over.
I thought you was right here. But then I picked up like, wait, where the fuck you just?
I like it. Check and kills, watch for motorcycles, save your life, be aware, motorcycles are everywhere.